I can't destroy this one. So right now we're putting the rear diff on hold. Close the garage a little bit. So I've got a nice little walking distance now, so that's pretty good. So today's gonna be a bit different. We are putting the Wago van install on hold for a bit because we are working, redesigning the mount. So for right now, this is on hold. But we're gonna start on the next install. So I want to pull out the engine to make sure I could put on a new transmission, clean up the engine bay, do the whole line. Some sunlight. This will be the first starter for the year, so let's make sure everything is still good, everything runs the way it should. Oh shit, battery dead. Let's make sure everything works. Oh man. Oh shit. Okay, so right now everything's starting, it's running. That's good. The reason why I'm doing all of this is I am upgrading the ECU to AEM Infinity. Yes, it's not the Fuel Tech. Yes, this is an old ECU, but I got it for a good price, and it will run and do what I needed to do in order to, get the car moving. Because I want the FT3700, but I'm not spending that kind of money right now. It's not released and a whole bunch of stuff. So this should be more than enough to get this car going. And if worse comes to worst, if I have to switch to something else, I'll have the ability to just take this out and put this in my other car. So it's a good investment. I'll make it work. The best part about it, it should be just plug and play, hook up the harness to where the ECU plug is, and then go from there. So the old ECU is out, so now those are the plugs. We got the jumper harness, so this is why I kind of try to just use this, because I can just literally hook up my old wires. And this is why I also want to go to a PDM, because I want to get rid of this whole fuse box, because I definitely know there's extra wires in here I don't need, so I'm going to take that out eventually. But take these out, connect them, then connect it to the ECU, and then start the process. Hopefully this is a quick install, because I'm going to have to do a few base map tuning, I guess, just to get it to start. I think I have to end up one day switching out the pins just to be a little bit more relieved. Now, literally just plug this in. Get the USB cable, plug it in, and then start using the laptop. Just my luck, nothing went as planned. I was able to connect to the ECU. I had everything working. I had the dashboard to start flickering, but the battery in the car is dead. All my jumper packs are not here. So that's it for the day. I'm gonna go home, do some more research to see how to, get better acquainted with this software to see what I'm missing. But yeah, that's it for today. We're back again today. We got a plan. So we tried to work on the ECU the last time. It didn't work out. So instead of wasting time, I'm just gonna pull the motor today.